Alam na nila yung pinagagawa ng China dyan. In fact, there were already warnings in 2015 about what China has been doing.
Magandang araw mga ka-aerial defense, may ibabahagi na naman ako sa inyo dahil ngayong araw na ito ay may bagay tayong pag-uusapan. Kaso laban sa China hinahanda na. China dapat managot. Pero bago tayo magpatuloy, wag mo muna kalimutan mag-like, share, and subscribe. Paki-follow at like muna ng aming page na nasa description na ang link. Nakatakdang magpulong ang legal cluster ng gabinete ni Pangulong Ferdinand Marcos Jr. para pag-usapan ang isasagawang case build-up para sa kasong ihahain kontra sa China sa paglalatag ng floating barrier sa Bajo de Masinloc.
The Permanent Court of Arbitration would be the best place to bring this case. Ang ICJ po pwede rin, kaya lang it's better that we bring it to the Permanent Court of Arbitration because they already have an institutional memory of all of these things that China is doing to the South China Sea or West Philippine Sea. Alam na nila yung pinagagawa ng China dyan. In fact, there were already warnings in 2015 about what China has been doing. That's why it's probably the best place to bring it. So the facts are already recognized by the body as it is.
The Office of the Solicitor General next week, together with some of our consultants of the Department of Justice, so that we can discuss the cases that may be filed in relation to the violations of the environmental laws in the West Philippine Sea, and view this as our responsibility to the world to take a hand in matters where environmental destruction is being done, and that whether or not it is our territory, but it is within our vicinity, already gives us a moral responsibility to pursue the destruction of the environment as a task for humanity, for the good of humanity. And we're asking, I was speaking earlier through text messages to Attorney Antonio Oposa, of one of the foremost world-known Filipino environmental experts, environmental law experts, to help us with the task of forming a complaint, a theory of the case when it comes to this destruction of the environment. So I will have no comment about the spokesman saying anything. What I am saying is that we are moving here as the Department of Justice of the Republic of the Philippines. It can be the arbitral court again. It is possible that we will file it before the arbitral court.
Tahasan din niyang itinanggi ang akusasyon ng China na nangpo-provoke ang Pilipinas sa pagtanggal sa mga boya nila at iginiit na sadyang iginigiit lamang ng Pilipinas ang karapatan. Sa akusasyon ng Pilipinas, inilagay ng China ang 300 metro na boya para pigilan ang mangingisdang Pinoy na makapasok sa mas mababaw na bahagi ng shoal kung saan marami ang isda. Bukod sa Permanent Court of Arbitration, sinabi ni Rem Ulan na ikinukonsidera rin nila ang iba pang bodies na pagsasampahan ng reklamo kabilang ang International Court of Justice. Dapat lang nakasuhan talaga natin ang China sa mga ginagawa nila sa West Philippine Sea, dahil bukod kasi sa nanghihimasok sila sa teritoryo ng Pilipinas ay sinisira din nila ang kabuhayan ng ating mga mangingisda. Sa susunod ko pang video, pag-uusapan pa natin ang iba pang tungkol at balita sa ating hukbong sandatahan ng Pilipinas. Paki-follow at like muna ng aming page na nasa description na ang link. Pwede ka ring manalo ng pera or load dito kapag ikaw ay naging top fan nito at napili. Huwag mo na rin kalimutan mag-like, share, and subscribe. Pindutin mo na rin ang bell para updated kayo sa aking mga video. Maraming salamat po.